Alright guys, today I'm going to replace my 2010 Jeep Wrangler muffler with this red rock catback system, purchased for $269. So a lot of these mufflers were pretty expensive, so I just found this one. Pretty reasonable setup here for about the same price or less than some of the mufflers. This little bullet style muffler here is going to replace that big giant muffler. That thing probably weighs over 75 pounds. Alright, let's get started with the install. Since I've already got my stock muffler off, the first thing I'm gonna do is, let's see. I'm gonna have to get the exhaust off of the hanger here and here, and then unbolt it here, which I feel like that could be a problem because it is so rusty. I'm sure it's gonna be a good time, so I will get that done and I will come back. Alright guys, just want to do a little update on where I'm at now. Had a lot of trouble getting the exhaust hangers off, and so finally got the hangers, and I ended up cutting the exhaust right behind where the hanger is. So it gave me a little more room to get my wrench in there and get that nut off of that, so then I could bust it loose. Started hammering on it, sprayed some penetrating lube, busted it off with my hammer. So yeah, that took a long process, so I just didn't film all that. This one went in way easier, so I just made a little room. I jacked up, put a jack on the frame over there, got blocks on my wheels up front. I put some lube on the hanger pieces here and sprayed these, and it just slid right in. So, and I'm going to put my middle pieces in and then tighten everything down, and I'll start it up for you guys. Alright, finally got the exhaust fully installed. Here's how she looks.